Somewhere in, wait a minute, I don't have the keys. Wait a minute, I don't have the keys. Somewhere in Texas. What'd I do with the keys? And there's birds. There's so many birds. It's unbelievable. All right.
You might want a coat. You might want a coat.
All right. I'm going to film these birds real quick. Are you following me? All right, well, I'll just film them from a distance. Look at all them birds. You can hear them. They're all screaming. Oh, pardon me. They're all talking to each other. That's incredible. I don't know why there's so many birds. There's a bunch of birds. They're even standing over here by the gas pumps. That's crazy.